Hello, my name is Javon Crawford, the founder of Rental Income for Life. Rental Income for Life is a program to help individuals to get started in real estate for the very first time. Now, 5-module online demand course shows you how to buy the property, it shows you how to fund the property, it shows you how to finance the property, how to analyze the property.
It was worthwhile to come out. It's a great opportunity to learn how to make extra little money.
Anyone who's interested in getting passive income, any type of additional income, I will indeed refer them to come in and try out the event because you can learn something from this.
I cannot wait for the next property tour. I feel like Javon gives the kind of information that allows people who are in this space of the unknown to start to understand what their next steps are, what's good strategy for them, and how to really succeed in this business. And you can't do it alone. You gotta have partners and people who are willing to give you information to help you.
So if you are looking to get started in real estate and having someone to walk you through the process and having the steps and systems in place, this is the course for you.